Isa rin ba kayo mga kun sa napakilig ng Romeo and Juliet? Ngayong araw, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung gaano kaganda yung istorya na ito. Tara't panoorin nyo mga kakuns. Ngayong araw mga kuns, samahan nyo naman ako sa paghahanda natin para sa huling araw sa taon ng first year college natin. Maaga pa lang pala mga kuns ay nagayos na ako dahil malalakihan na naman ako ng tubig. Siyempre nakaredy na rin lahat ng gamit natin gagamitin mamaya. Kaya tara, call time nga pala natin ngayon mga kuns ay 7:30 lang kaya bibilisan na natin. Nang makarating na tayo mga kuns sa school ay agad na natin pinarada yung motor natin at pumalik na rin tayo. Tapos dire-diretso na mga kuns para sa pag-aayos at paghahanda. At nang makatapos na kami mga kuns sa aming pag-ayos sa sarili, ito at nag-rehearse na rin mga kuns dahil magsisimula na.
What noise is this? Give me my answers, huh? All Montague is come!
What ho! You men, you beast! Crown Mr. Bird back to the crowd.
It is not so hard, I think. For men as sold us to keep the peace.
Honorable reckoning are you both? And pity this you live and so long. But now, my lord, what say you to my soul?
My child is yet a stranger in the world. She had not seen a change for 14 years.
Nay, gentle Romeo, we must have you dance.
Not I. Believe me, your dancing shoes will be most souls. But I'm so glad. Come, nothing answer.
Oh, but there's no way to go. What? May one last?
I dreamt of a dream tonight.
And so did I.
What was yours?
Come on, the dreamers often lie.
Why, how now this man? Wherefore stormy so?
Uncle, this is a Montague our foe, a villain that has either come in spite to scorn at our solemnity this night. I'll not endure him!
Young Romeo is it? Content him. Let him alone.
No, I'll not endure him!
He shall endure. Am I the master here or you? Go to.
Why, Uncle, it is a shame!
Madam! Your mother begs a word with you.
I thank you all. I thank you, honest gentlemen. Good night. It waxes late.
In my life, the fair ending by their head. Then, once we can play it out.
So, smile the heavens from this moment, but after hours the sorrow chide us not.
Madam, do not commend me to your God.
Sir, Paris, I will make a desperate tender of my child's love. I think she will be ruled with no respect by me. Nine more, I doubt it not. Wife, greet her on Thursday night. She shall be married to this noble earl.
She would not. She gave you thanks. I would have moved for marriage to her grave.
How? Will she not? You should not be proud to be unworthy of your bridegroom. Go with Paris to St. Peter's Church. I will drag thee on the heart of theater. Out, you baggage!
Your patience must speak a word.
How thee, young baggage! Disobedient wretch! Speak not, reply not, do not answer me.
The sweet my mother, cast me not away. The lady's marriage for a month to wake her. If you do not, may the bridal bud and the demon with the table die.
Oh, brother Montague, give me thy hand. As Romeo shall, by his latest life, poor sacrifices of our enmity.
For never was Torah from who that is of Judah and for Romeo.
For our lovely couple, we have Glory Mibaluyot and John Kenneth Guzman for our Lady Capulet, own Capulet. What a great chemistry they have. So I am Lorna Lay Parole, and I thank you all so much. And yeah, I am the director of this play, and I hope you enjoy it. Thank you so much. And all of this would not be possible without the guidance and love. A very love professor, Mr. Calum Lorenzo.
Good afternoon, everyone. First of all, I would like to congratulate everyone who the BSN English 2A and BSM 1A for a great theater play about Romeo and Juliet, and I congratulate everyone who did. I know that this has been a very challenging activity, but I have seen the best efforts that you have given throughout the rehearsals, the planning process, and now that you're already in your performance. And again, I want to give you a warm congratulations for that. And thank you everyone who...
Nang matapos na tayo mga kun sa ating palabas, isang bagay ang hindi ko makakalimutan sa pagtatapos namin sa palabas na ito. Ang pagkakaroon ng pagkakaisa at pagtutulungan ay tiyak na may magandang resultang kalalabasan. Hindi namin kilala yung isa't isa mga kun, pero maganda pa rin yung kinalabasan dahil sinantabi namin yung hiya at pinakita yung pagkakawang gawa. Simpleng palabas mga kun, pero maraming aral yung tinuro sa amin na kahit sa una mga kuns ay nahirapan talaga. May mga pagkakataon na kinapos pa, pero ganun pa man mga kuns, dahil buo ang tiwala sa isa't isa, isang panibagong pamilya ang nabuksan sa ilang araw ng pagpapractice namin. Kaya lubos yung saya namin sa oras na ito dahil may mga panibago kaming kaibigang nakilala. Kaya shoutout sa inyong lahat mga kakuns. Let's go!